He's crowing. So these are the two roosters for sale. This guy, beautiful feathers at the front of his body, have a look at them. The black and red is meshed together. Very nice feathers. He's got these long orange ones coming from the head. Tail is got a bit of white coming through there, and that's a bit of a shiny green on the tail, and yeah, it's one of those ones that stick up quite high. So that's the red one. This rooster, he's also got a very nice lot of green shiny feathers in his tail. There we go, you can see them a bit better there. So he's got a lot of white. There's a black chicken. Nice front view of him. Have a look at that. That's very nice feathers. So they're black in the middle with white on the outside of the feather. Yeah, even there's some shiny green feathers amongst all the black. So that's the black one and the red one. He's back over. You can see that shine on the green on the tail there. Looks quite good in that angle. Very nice bird. Even his as well, also shining. Really like that in the birds, even on the back. Yeah, a lot of green shiny feathers throughout the back. The head there is the black and white feathers. So just trying to cut down on the amount of roosters. So we've got 3 amongst this flock of 8. Probably a bit too many, so I think one bird will be enough. And combine our other flock of 3, which has a rooster. So there'll be 2 roosters and 7 females. Should be okay.